Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the AeroGarden that I got, and I also going to be introducing you to 4 new members of the family. So let's get started. So guys, I just got this AeroGarden so I can start growing my own herbs, and so far so good. I got mine from Amazon, so if you guys are interested, I'm going to be leaving the link down below. I forgot the model that I got, but I'll leave it in the description box. It's super easy to set up. It's literally like you put the water in the food, the plant food that came with it. It comes with herbs and then the plant food. So as you can see right now, it's 5:30 p.m. and it's been 5 days since I plant my herbs, and then in 9 days I'm going to be adding more food plant. So this is what I am super happy right now. So this is what it looks like now. The type of herbs that I got are mint, dill, what is this? Basil, thyme, parsley, and then Thai basil. And also you can tell it's only been 5 days, and you can see some of them are growing. I think there's 3 of them growing so far. Oh yeah, right here. The Thai basil is growing. The thyme is flourishing. And look at the parsley. They say parsley is one of the fastest growing herbs, so this one is growing fast. So I'm super excited about putting this item to use, and we'll see. The only thing I don't like is that nighttime it looked like sun in here. Like this light stays on for 17 hours and then turn off for I think 7 hours. So when I'm trying to go to sleep, this light is still on. That's the only thing that bothers me, honestly. But after that, I'm pretty excited to see the outcome and how the herbs are growing. And this is what it looks like. The first person.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
The first plant that I want to show you guys is this new baby. This is a Montserrat plant, but I name her Confidence. The reason I name her Confidence is because I just think she's so pretty, and she is going to flourish very, very, very well. I personally do not have a green thumb, So this is very scary for me. I'm not gonna lie. This is like bringing a new baby home and hoping that it survives. Like, it's to that point. I literally had it for like 4 days, and I don't know if you guys can see, I already overwatered her and she's turning yellow. So pray for me. If you have any tips, drop them down in the comments, because I need all the tips that I can to keep these babies alive, because I want them to grow and flourish, but we're gonna make it happen. So pray for me, guys. But I just love this plant. If I learn how to take care of this plant properly, I'm going to have monstera all over my house, because I just think it's just so beautiful. I know nothing about plant, and this is like, I'm such a virgin to this, and I'm already in love. She is so beautiful. So her name is Confidence. Hey, boo boo. Oh, not my hair. Okay, we gotta play nice, okay? The second plant that I want to talk to you guys about is this snake plant. I actually don't have a name for her yet. I don't know why. So it's taken me a while to name her. But yeah, again, overwatering is my biggest problem. She's already turning yellow, thanks to me. And yeah, so she's beautiful. I actually got a planter for her, so I'm super excited. I still need to get planters for the others, but this one, I thought she would look cute in this little planter. And I also, for the others, I want to repot them before I get them a planter, so because I know they're gonna grow big, so I just want to make sure that I do that first. Guys, meet Tokyo. So this is Tokyo. The reason I named her Tokyo is because I just finished watching Money Heist, and I just love Tokyo's character because she's such a risk taker, and then she lives life to the fullest. So I think she's gonna be my Tokyo. Like, I lived through Tokyo, the character. So this is she's gorgeous. Tokyo is gorgeous. Again, because I know these plants are gonna grow so big, that's why I want to repot them before.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
And this is NAIROBI. Again, I was inspired by NAIROBI from Money Heist. She is so compassionate, and I think she's going to be the calm between this whole storm. Like, literally, she is the only plant I haven't watered yet, and she's just doing so amazing. Like, everybody else, like, their soil were a little dry, and I overwatered them. So NAIROBI is gonna keep me calm throughout this whole process. She's so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. The 4 new members of the family. Hopefully, I could keep them alive. Pray for me. Pray for them. We need them. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated to see how they're growing. So if you know anybody that has a channel about plants, drop them down below, because I really want them to survive. Like, I really want them to survive. So let's hope so. Bye, guys.